Friends, forum has been a great success as we crossed registrations more than 3,000 across the globe. For the detailed report of registration, I request multiple council chairperson and organizing secretary, Dr. Rao, to give his report of registration. Thank you.
Thank you, Idamaluji. Dear line dignitaries and friends, I am very pleased to present before you a brief report on the registrations for the Isami Virtual Forum. I am very happy and proud to announce that we have a total of 3,297 registrations from all over the world. Now let us take a look at the multiple district-wise registrations of the forum. Other than host multiple district 316, the first highest participation is MD 325 with 423 registrations. Second highest participation is MD 3232 with 311 registrations, and third highest participation is MD 317 with 298 registrations. Thank you and all. We at multiple district 316 are thankful to you for your immense support, enthusiasm, and participation. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rao. Thank you very much, Dr. Rao. Now is the time for the seminar which I am presenting before you. Friends, it is said that a well-informed lion is a true lion, an active lion, and an enthusiastic lion. In our medical conferences, we have a scientific feast, but in such forums, we have an educational feast or a learning feast. In this forum, we had planned 40 seminars in 2 days on 4 tracks. Very eminent faculty had been invited. We had about 12 to 13 seminars from the headquarters and also from Mumbai office. We had the guidance and wisdom of our past international president, Nareshji Agarwal, directors, and more than 10 past international directors. Also, more than 15 LCIP trained past governors and lion leaders have delivered their best during these seminars. It was an inspiration to hear from Leo leaders also. We could have few seminars on the live track. GAT teams are an important part of our working in all the fronts: membership, leadership, and service. We had very good presentations from Constitutional Area Leader PID Narendra Bhandari and various area leaders and multiple GAT leaders. LCIF is in soul, and we are serving through hundreds of service temples in the entire world. We had very good seminars on certain new initiatives for India, like clean water, eye clinics, etc. Seminars also included regarding application for grants, especially diabetes. CSR is a subject that each and every club should understand, and we also had seminar on CSR. No one has success stories in the world rather than Lions Clubs International. So we had seminars on such success stories also, which we can share amongst our Lion members and the society. The icing on the cake was the positive thinking by Ms. Pooja Bedi, which was also a positive motivational talk. I thank, first of all the participants for their active participation. I thank the entire faculty, PID Vijay Kumar Raju and the team, and Ruchitaji Mehra for all their efforts for these seminars. Thank you very much. Now is the time for the concluding remarks from our organizing chairperson, PID Vijay Kumar Raju. Friends, it is said that one man can make a difference. And for the success of this forum, past international director and trustee Vijay Kumar Raju has made tireless efforts, innovative ideas, and has not left no stone unturned to make this forum a historical one, a memorable one, a successful one. I request PID Vijay Kumar Raju for his concluding remarks. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chairman, International Director Line, Dr. Nawal Maluji. I must thank International Director Kaji Akramuddin for his wonderful welcome address in the last session. My heartfelt thank goes to the international directors, JP Singh, Mohammad Adris, R. Sampath, and VP Nandkumar. Friends, the starting point of all achievements is deep desire. One thought came to our mind when we wanted to take this forum effectively present to the rest of the world. The Eleanor Roosevelt's quote, "You must do things you think you cannot do." That has inspired and that motivated all of us. MD316, if you name, we believe unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, they have proved wonderful things can be achieved. My sincere thanks to our International President, Dr. Yang Yul Choi, immediate past International President, Gudrun Youngvi daughter, International First Vice President, Douglas Alexander, International Second Vice President, Brian Sheehan, International Third Vice President, Dr. Patty Hill. My revered thanks to the past international presidents who are leading our Campaign 100, Dr. Yamada and PIP Frank Moore. My heartfelt thanks goes to our own past international presidents, Ashok Mehta, Mahendra Amarasuriya, and Naresh Agarwal ji for their continuous motivation, support, and inspiration. My appreciation goes to Executive Administrator, LCIF, Ms. Rebecca Dow, Chief Finance Officer, Katie Rizzo, Chief Operations Officer, Sanjeev Ahuja, Chief of Technology, Dr. Bala Balachandar, and the General Counsel, Mr. David Kingsbury. And my special appreciation goes to the Marketing Divisional Manager, Dan Harvey team, and Marketing Divisional Manager of LCIF, Michelle Covington and team for their outstanding support in putting this forum together what it is. Friends, I would like to thank all the LCI and LCIF staff at Oak Brook and Mumbai for the tremendous support that they have put in to make this forum a grand success. I must make a special mention about the Regional Manager, Isame, and Africa Operations in Mumbai office, the very latest staff of ours, Ms. Gloria Giri, and also line Ruchita Mehra for all the hard work that they have put in coordinating for the various seminars and programs. My sincere appreciation to the Leos of Mumbai who have helped us in putting up some of the events together, Leo Ojas Raval for moderating the seminars. I thank GATT Area Leader PMCC Mahesh Chitnis from MD16, New Jersey, who is giving us a backup supply from the New Jersey, United States of America, for being with us all throughout and helping us put up this forum together. Thank you, multiple council chairman, MD316, Dr. Srinivas Rao, for effectively dealing with the registrations and technical aspects of this forum and making a big number of 3,297 registrations. Friends, a special thanks to the technical team led by Mr. Vikas Wahi and Samir Biral of Adwell Technologies, New Delhi, who have partnered with us to put this forum for what it is. Special thanks to staff of Nandkumar and Mumbai office, Mrs. Jyoti Patel, Mr. Manu and their colleagues for their hospitality and technical support that they have provided here in this control center where we are operating right now. Friends, our leadership is constantly striving to improve and impart knowledge by conducting various training programs on the virtual platform during these difficult times of COVID. All our past international directors have been a great support and strength and true inspiration to all of us to put this forum to what it is. It reminds us one wonderful thing. You must do things, the technology, the innovation distinguishes you from a leader to a follower. Friends, my past experience of attending 19 ISAME forums, 5 USA Canada forums, 3 OCIL forums, 2 Europa forums, 2 ANZI forums, 1 FOLAC forum, and 10 international convention, and relationship and understanding of these forums are probably have come as enough in handy and big support and strength that what we could put it. I must be failing if I do not mention my biggest strength, past international director line, Chigurupati Varaprasad, for putting things. Dear fellow Lions, dignitaries, it is indeed a great pleasure meeting all of you at this splendid ISAME forum. As the theme of this forum goes, together we connect and together we learned. So I'm sure all of you had a memorable experience and enjoyed this forum from the last 3 days. I'm proud to let you all know that this is the first virtual forum in the Lions world held for 3 consecutive days. Looking forward to meet you all again in the 49th ISAME Forum in Visakhapatnam in December 2022, though there is 1 year gap in between where we'll be visiting Dhaka. But I must tell you, Lions of Andhra Pradesh would promise you best of the best to the rest of the world Lions. Thank you very much, Dr. Malu, and the entire leadership of ISAME for your trust, confidence, and what it is. This is just a team effort and teamwork. Thank you. Good luck to every one of you. Now I would invite our International Director NRC, Mahesh Pascal, to propose vote of thanks before closing this forum, please.
Good evening, dear Lion leaders and Lions of ISAME. At the very outset, I wish to thank the planning committee and host committee for giving me this pleasant task of delivering the vote of thanks. Today, we live in an extremely challenging time. The world is going through unprecedented obstacles trying to maintain a new normal. Lions, similarly, are striving to serve, grow, learn and connect despite the challenges. The history one day will recall that Lions of ISAME came together and endeavored even in 2020 midst a pandemic. We are now seeing the end of a highly successful second plenary session and also a forum, thanks to the guidance and commitment of Lion leaders, such as ISAME Planning Committee Chairperson, International Director Dr. Nawal Malu, and Host Committee Chairperson, past International Director, LCIF Trustee Vijay Kumar Raju, together with all the Lions of the Multiple District 316. Let us remember, they have not let the baton drop and have done a meticulous job organizing this forum despite the challenges. Let me commence by thanking and congratulating the International Director, Ranganathan Sampath, for chairing the second plenary session and conducting it in such fine manner. It is my great privilege to thank Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Sri Dr. Harsh Vardhan, for joining with us today. It is indeed an honor for all ISAME Lions to have you with us, sir. I must place on record my sincere thanks to past international presidents of our area, Mahendra Amarasuriya and Dr. Ashok Mehta, for joining with us today. Sir, your guidance is invaluable for all of us. I wish to also thank Dr. Bala Balachandra, Chief Technology Officer of LCIN, Mr. David Kingsbury, General Counsel of LCI, for joining with us for today's session. I am sure all Lions found it very informative. Next, I express my thanks to International Director Kwasi Akrumuddin for chairing the closing of the forum to a glamorous end. It was indeed a great pleasure and a privilege for all ISAME Lions to have a second International Vice President, Brian Sheehan, third International Vice President, Dr. Patty Hill, join with us today for the first ever virtual ISAMI forum. Next, I wish to thank past International Director Praveen Charged for his words on inspirational leadership. As the world faces new challenges, there is a global need for leaders who rise to the occasion. We Lions of ISAMI are lucky to have extraordinary lion leaders in our region and our organization showing us the way in these difficult times. On behalf of Lions of ISAMI, I wish to also thank our very own past international presidents, all international directors and past international directors of ISAMI for their unwavering support and guidance. Your leadership continues to inspire Lions of ISAMI to reach greater heights every day. Next, I must also thank International Director Dr. Nawal Malu, Dr. Srinivasa Rao, and past International Director Vijay Kumar Raju for their reports and closing remarks. It's a delight to hear the success of first ever virtual ISAMI forum despite all the obstacles and challenges in its way. I take this opportunity to also bring felicitations from my multiple district 306, Sri Lanka, for the entire team behind this successful forum. Today you have written history and we are all proud to be a part of it. I am failing in my duty if I don't thank the portrait artist who added color to this session. Before I conclude, I wish to also thank the technical personnel and support staff behind the screen who have ensured that all delegates can join and witness this forum without a glitch. Last but not least, this forum would not have been successful without you, all delegates, who joined this session from the safety of your homes. Thank you. Dear Lion leaders and Lions, until we can meet again in person to serve and celebrate, I wish you all good health. May the coming holiday season be a joyous one for you and your families. Thank you.
Thank you, ID Mahesh Pascal. Once again, friends, all that good things have to come to an end. Good luck to all of you. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. Good luck to you.